Moving on up to the east side. No, not the east side.
We ain't moving to the east side. What's up, YouTube? Mike here again, along with Chris. We got a new project in the back of us right here. It's a 2019 Tacoma. No, I wasn't gonna say that. Tacoma Tundra. Toyota Tacoma. I got a Tundra.
Oh, man.
Anyway, ooh, this is a new. This is a
yeah, this is my new truck.
New trucky truck.
Thanks, guys. You guys bought it for me.
Yeah, this is just the TRD Sport Edition. It's the same color as my truck.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It is.
Brand new. Brand new. Anyway, we are
something different today? Are we doing something?
we're doing trucks. We love trucks.
I love trucks.
We all have trucks.
I got a truck. I got Tacoma. I'm a Tacoma fan.
Me,
Tacoma,
Carlos, and Chris all have trucks. You guys don't know. Anyway, we are going to install some electric side power steps. These are super duper sweet. They'll automatically come down when you open the door. But we're gonna make a quick project out of this. It's a little how-to, how to install it in your, all the wind banging.
Everybody's always wondering, what's all that banging in the background?
Yeah, it's the door. Sorry.
It's windy.
Anyway, we're gonna do a quick how-to, and let's go ahead and get started. Show what's in the kit. 1, 2, and 3.
What do you see? 1, 2, 3.
It's on the other side. There.
Oh,
Boom.
how do you guys do things when you guys get new parts like this? Do you guys ever open this? I don't. I just start looking at it.
I just use my Tetris skills
Yeah, right?
to freaking do it.
So, I mean, another thing too, I know some of you guys are saying, what do you guys need these side steps on this truck for? We're gonna be lifting this thing too, but we're gonna do like a leveling kit, but we're not gonna do this in this video. We'll save that for another video.
Yeah, we'll do a little 6-inch lift for this.
You know, first thing I like to look at is
expert skill.
expert skill, how hard this is. So on their skill level, 1 through 4, it's a 4. So
This is
it's
like rocket science and engine building. This is next to
I
it.
can't build this thing, dude. Then it tells you 3 to 5 hours to install.
All right, hold on. Let's see what time it is.
I want to show everybody.
6
But-
o'clock, 6:04.
What cracks me up too is like I think about 3 to 5 hours. Like I could pull a motor and put a motor in my hatch in my Honda.
Yes, right?
For the time it takes to put these side skirts or these.
All right, dude.
So,
we gotta time ourselves. That's a checklist of tools, so it'll make our things a lot quicker. That's everything we need, supposedly.
According to this, everything on this checklist has been checked off.
Right.
Here, the only thing I think we're missing here is the waterproof caulking
Damn, we gotta get some waterproof caulk.
or silicone sealer. I think silicone should work. Any silicone.
All right, guys. You guys ready?
Ready.
Ready.
All right, it's 6:31.
So 8 o'clock. Yeah.
All right,
8ish.
till the light. They're not gonna believe us when the sun goes down. I'm like, what? All right, anyway, ready, set, let's go. I'm just giving you guys a reference for the hole that you have to drill. They give you this little nifty little piece of paper here. So this is the passenger side, and there's a little gussets right here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to place it alongside the gusset for the passenger side, and then drill in that little hole in the center. You got it?
Gusset? What's a gusset?
Shut up. Drifters use it. Anyway, you're back there. Tell us what you're doing there.
I'm bolting up these nifty, there's one on that side. I guess these are electric motors that control these are the electric motors that control the steps going up and down.
Put it on the right side.
Yeah, I don't know if it's on the right side.
Anyway, you guys can see the back here. There's a little washer, a lock washer, another fat washer back there. There's already a pre-made hole that goes back there, so it doesn't need to drill.
No drilling required in the front, or in the rear, but in the front we do.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give Chris my nifty little card. Here you go, fool.
Oh, that's your phone number?
Yeah. Shut up.
That's your number on here?
Kiss me through the phone.
So I take it this goes on the top and then you just...
Yeah, but you have to move the lines in back. Get their All right, Carlos, what you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Messing up some wiring.
Messing up some wiring.
Yeah, so they wanted by instruction, right, to
You go by the instructions?
No. It says there's this little hole down here on the carpet.
Oh, so
I'm running the wires, by the
We're
way.
running
That's
the
what I'm doing.
Carlos is in charge of wire.
So I got in here, and we found Mr. What'd you call it? A gusset?
The drain hole?
The drain hole.
Oh, our thing is.
But there's a frame rail there with no access anywhere.
Okay.
So I decided to come in through the firewall instead. Which I think will work better because we can tuck it behind.
They wanted it back through under.
They wanted it to come up. Look, they want
Really? Hold on.
They want you to come in, drop the wires, connect the power and ground up front, obviously, and then drop the wires down into the engine bay. Because it says run wire harness as shown outside the frame rail on both sides. Avoid hot shock. This is for outside, but pull up carpet and locate rubber grommet. Slice the grommet and pass trigger wires from under the vehicle and into the cab. I am not going to do that because there's no reason to go from engine bay to exterior to into the cab. So I'm just going to go from engine bay into the cab.
Right?
I think it would be there's rubber gaskets on the engine bay, so there's in the firewall, so there's no reason to.
It's aggressive.
So one of the harness goes on that side. Is it these connect to the
Yeah,
motors?
one runs down this side, one runs through the other
I
side.
see.
They want. So in theirs, they want the sub harness to jump up over the motor like that, and then
Interesting.
into the other side.
Interesting.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in through the inside,
So you don't have
and
to
out the
burn.
other side.
Oh, okay. So there's no burning.
so we don't burn the wires out.
Position of Baby Shark. Yo, Baby Shark's hard, bro. Baby Shark's hard.
Hard, huh?
You see the R&B remake? Watch, I think that freaking the gun's gonna fall and hit you. Just kidding.
Hope not.
All right, so he's removing a little harness right here, in order because we have to drill where that card is, and the harness is in the way. We don't want to chop into it. We're just following instructions, man.
We don't need instructions. What are you talking about, Mike? Ow.
Nope. Watch, I think that freaking the gun's gonna fall and hit you.
We don't need instructions. What are you talking about, Mike? Ow.
Guns. What is this?
The little gun, the Power Probe 3.
Power Probe.
Power Probing.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber Power Probing 3
All right.
for
Show us how it's done.
safety checkers.
Right, at least on the instructions.
I got the front door right. It was right. Yellow. It's already ground, so it can't be. Okay. It should be like a faint power, like so, and then you open it, and it gives you ground, like so.
Oh, that one?
Yeah,
Trigger.
that would be her. Pushes on here. I've never seen this before.
Never seen it?
No.
The magic?
So we're gonna push this in here. I'm over here trying to be over exaggerating with it because I don't believe it.
And you just twist it?
I guess you just tighten it, dog.
You guys should just do what you guys like to do, which is solder stuff.
There you go. No, we're gonna do
No,
it.
we
We're
gotta
doing
use-
it how they want us done, bro.
This is what they want.
Amp research. Gotta see him work. Watch. Oh, open the door. What?
That was magic, man.
That was so magic,
Magic
bro.
Carlos right there.
All right. Let's-
These little sick wiring skills. We're gonna leave
Sick,
it just like
sick,
that for you
sick.
guys.
Just
for the
hanging.
haters.
Just hanging out loose. All right, let's do it. All right, we're gonna. Let's sit down. Have a seat with me, bro.
Have a seat.
Have a seat with me.
Actually, I gotta do it like this.
That's true.
This is
Don't
the
mic.
This is the 2019 version.
Chris is stupid. He's like, I like this color. I'm gonna wrap my car this
I'm gonna
color.
wrap my Tacoma this color. And Mike's like, my truck's the same color. I'm like, nah, this is the 2019
Son.
version. So after 5 hours of working on this truck and putting on these side steps, 5 hours later, guys.
After 5 hours of Chris complaining
It's nighttime.
of how
Come here.
Bring that back.
Come here. We did it. It's 8:34. It's 2 hours. And an hour, half an hour of Chris complaining.
Mike, what are you doing sitting down, bro? We're not done.
Shut your
This is what Mike does when behind the camera. There we go, guys.
So
Alright, wait. 8:46. 8:46.
Finicio. So we took a little longer because of 2 reasons. 1, Chris sucks. 2,
Yes, you do.
we ran the wire through the inside, tucked all the wire harness. So
Yeah.
we tucked everything through
Gotta
the
make
kick
sure.
panels, underneath the carpet, all that. They want you to run it from the
Outside.
engine bay outside on the frame rail,
can get caught.
and jumps over and zip tied all the bottom. I don't like it. We
How
don't
many
like
zip ties? 11?
Way too many. We didn't use any of them. So all the wires are neatly tucked inside the vehicle, so you won't have any issues. You bottom out the truck. It's an off-road vehicle. You don't want to, you know what I mean? Tack it, whatever. So, show them how it works. Look at that. Look at that.
With that blue LED cut.
Oh, that's
Is
sick.
it blue or is it purple?
Look, they stay on. It's LED, that's why.
Oh.
And then they dim out.
You see that dim?
Look, get
You
close.
get that dim?
Yeah, go on the other side. Go on the other side. It's dark.
Brighter?
Let's go.
Dark.
Look.
Ready?
Get it good. Boom!
Dust these off, huh?
We are good.
It
Look
does-
at that. And then check it out. Get close.
Get close.
Get close
Watch.
to the light.
Get close to the light.
So it stays on.
Right.
You close it, and then once it's closed, watch.
Damn!
It dimmed.
So all doors work. Let's make sure. Front doors, all the way off. Back doors.
First time installing these?
Gang.
Yeah, I mean, and like I said, we weren't by any means.
It took 3 Stooges.
We weren't
2
in a
hours.
rush. We weren't in a rush. It was 2 stooges.
Two stooges. You were just freaking.
You're gonna include yourself in this install? Come on.
30 minutes. You just complained.
Yeah.
30
You
minutes.
slowed us down, complaining.
You're like,
about.
the instructions say. The instructions say 2016 Tacoma. I'm like, it's the same freaking truck. They don't rebuild it every year.
Frame rail is completely different.
Oh, we just did everything.
Good job. No thanks to Chris. You know what I'm saying?
Like, subscribe, peace out. This is a dope. Really,
cool.
this is
This is nice.
this is super nice. These are probably one of the nicest
Step sides, yeah.
step sides you can.
What brand
Yeah,
is
for
this?
sure.
Do you want to include their brand?
Amp research.
It's amp research. I mean, everybody uses them. Dealers use them. Everybody uses them. I mean, they're really nice.
Legit.
Really nice.
They're super nice.
Cool.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Trucks.